Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can download UMPQUA Bank app from the browser. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and search UMPQUA Bank. Next, you will see this option called UMPQUA Bank Mobile Banking with Install option. You have to click on Install. Depending on your internet speed, it might take few seconds to few minutes for an app to install. So, this is how you install your app. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.